Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by matching Blender to the plan you have. First, set scene units to meters or feet so measurements stay accurate. Once done, import your floor plan image and assign it to a plane at z=0. You'll trace on that surface. Switch to orthographic top view and lock the view so you don't accidentally rotate while modeling. Make sure snapping is set to increment or vertex for precise alignment. This establishes a stable workspace to start drawing walls. Now you'll convert the trace lines into accurate walls. Enter edit mode on a mesh object, then draw edges that follow the plan using extrude and snap to vertices for exact corners. Keep consistent wall thickness by adding a solidify modifier rather than modeling thickness by hand. This preserves topology. Use loop cuts sparingly for interior partitions, and apply Boolean only when needed to create door openings. As you proceed, check dimensions with the measure tool to ensure each segment matches the original plan. Finish by placing doors and windows into the wall openings you cut. You should model them as separate objects and use Boolean difference or precise Boolean-friendly geometry for clean intersections. Make sure normals face outward. Once positioned, apply all transforms and modifiers to freeze scale and thickness. Then organize objects into collections and export as needed. If something goes wrong, recalculate normals, remove duplicate vertices, and redo any failing Boolean operations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.